is Zippy Rocket. A little blue train rolls down the track through a colorful world and never looks back. Morning sunshine lights the way. It starts a bright and happy day. Zippy Rocket flies nearby, zooming gently through the sky, guiding paths from up above, helping with a friendly glow of love. Choo-choo go, choo-choo go, little blue train rolling slow. Choo-choo go, choo-choo go, traveling where rainbows glow. Over bridges shining bright, through the clouds of glowing light. Every turn brings something new, happy skies of shine and blue. Little wheels go round and round, happy echoes in the sound. Moving forward strong and proud, smiling faces all around. Choo-choo go, choo-choo go, the little blue train rolling slow. Choo-choo go, choo-choo go, traveling where rainbows glow. Rainbow paths begin to glow, gentle breezes start to flow. Journey never feels too long when you share a happy song. Side by side they travel on, through the night and through the dawn. Little train and Zippy too find adventures bright and new.